pour your beers into that cup and drink from that one.
Yeah.
That's usually what you do.
Jonathan.
Is it phone here?
Fucking asshole.
Wait. Here, let me take this. Okay.
John, get.
Talk about beer pong, Mom.
John, get the beer thing. Get the computer out of the way.
No, talk about beer pong.
No,
Mom.
it's disgusting.
What's disgusting about it? What's the most disgusting part about it?
The cock balls or
People pick their nose. They go to the bathroom. They don't wash their hands because they're too drunk to wash their hands. And guess what?
What?
Guess what? Then you pick up that ball and use the same filthy fucking water. It's disgusting. You guys don't realize the germs that you are putting. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's amazing you guys don't get filthy mouths. Oh, get that thing off.
what?
It's just funny though.
What happens when you kiss a girl?
That's different. It's one girl.
When did she kiss 10 guys that night and suck the dick?
Yeah, what if they're sucking peckers, Mom?
That's disgusting.
If you
guys.
kiss a girl after she sucks the other guy's dick, wouldn't it be much better to just play beer pong?
You might as well be drunk when you're doing it.
You guys don't realize you're gonna get diseases, both of you.
Gonna get diseases. Ma, what's a typical
First of all-
typical disease that somebody like me or John would get? What's a
I
typical
tell you, it's
gonorrhea?
your things are gonna fall off. They're just gonna fall off. It's just get that off,
No, just pretend he's not there.
John, Doug. That's disgusting. Filth, disgusting.
It's not on you.
Ma, you look pretty.
I'm not kidding, boys. It's not
What
funny.
what's a typical disease
First
that we
of
would
all,
get from playing a
first
game
of
like
all,
beer
you're
pong?
supposed to be 21 when you start drinking. That's number one.
I'm 23.
Yeah.
He's 21. He's 2 years younger than I am.
So that means you are drinking when you go to your stupid friends' houses.
No. I know the rules. I think it's disgusting. I don't play that game.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Huh.
you're saying your rosaries in the corner. You know,
Ma, do you
should
think we play like pong beer? You think John and I get into that kind of thing? The pong beer thing?
I think it's disgusting.
What's disgusting about pong beer?
Just figure somebody picking their nose, then taking that ball and touching the ball, throwing it into a cup.
You put it in the water first.
Okay, now you put it in the water. Is the water clean?
We didn't
All
get
the
out of
time.
we didn't get out of
You
the
clean it
toilet.
every day. Let me ask you a question. Is there soap in that water?
No, because then the soap would go in the beer.
Right.
Why would you put soap in that water?
Because it's got to be sterilized. Water's not going to clean snot.
I mean,
Water is not going to clean snot. And
What won't water kill?
really,
What won't it kill?
I'm telling you guys, you have no idea. The
What
facility-
that's going to be on the ball is water not going to take off.
Oh God! And then they tell you, boys are pigs. They don't clean themselves. When you go to the bathroom, they piss.
It's my dick.
It's your dick, but now your dick is on that ball.
No, not really.
And let me ask you a question: when you're drunk or you're feeling no pain, and you go and piss, you're gonna tell me you never piss on your own hand?
If anyone pees on their hand, they wash their hands.
How many times? Yeah, really.
I don't wash my hands if I just hold my dick. I know where my dick's been.
That's correct, but he doesn't know where your dick's been.
He might actually.
And then you're gonna take that ball and you're gonna throw it, and you're gonna throw it in something you drink. It's disgusting. You guys don't realize how gross that is. You know what? Don't ask me. Ask a total stranger if that's not gross.
My total strangers play.
I'm pretty sure you're going to lose this battle.
Okay. And then if it falls and it falls on the floor, there's not, especially in his house. Oh,
That's why we play here.
What about if you play outside?
it's still gonna fall on the floor.
Yeah.
There's dirt, worms, and shit on the floor. I'm telling you guys.
Worms. Ma, I used to eat worms.
I'm telling you
The
guys.
protein.
You guys really need to rethink your lives. That's like just
Dude, end it there.